Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Solution channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix delay sending emails problem on Outlook. So guys, for that you have to hold and press for a long time on your Outlook. Now tap on the I option, swipe down, now go to storage, and guys you can see there is two options. One is clear data and another one is clear cache. You have to clear data, delete from here, and then you have to clear cache from here. And after all do this, you have to restart your phone, and after all this your phone and your that problem will be solved. So guys, that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.